Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Check Edge version and Windows updates, because outdated components often cause errors. Next, disable all extensions and open an in private window to see if the issue persists. This isolates add-ons. Then clear cache and cookies only for the last 24 to 48 hours to remove recent corrupt data. Once done, restart Edge and test the problem page. If it's fixed, re-enable extensions one by one to find the culprit. Now move into deeper repairs. Reset Edge settings to defaults. This preserves favorites but clears experimental flags that break features. While you're at it, run the Windows Internet Troubleshooter and verify your network adapter for DNS or proxy misconfiguration, because connectivity often mimics browser failure. If issues remain, reinstall Edge from Settings apps to replace corrupted program files. Make sure to export important data first. Once reinstalled, sign into your profile so sync restores. Finish by confirming the site or feature loads across a second profile, and if possible, another device. This tells you whether the problem is local or server-side. Also check for system policies or corporate management profiles, because enforced settings can block functionality. If everything else fails, create a fresh Edge user profile. You'll often find profile corruption causes persistent issues. If the new profile works, migrate bookmarks and settings, then retire the broken profile to avoid recurring errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.